equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. First, power off your device. Remove the screws on the back cover using the screwdriver. Keep them safe for reassembly. Next, gently use the prying tool to lift the back cover off. Be careful not to damage any clips. Once the cover is off, take a moment to clean the internal components with the cloth. Dust can affect performance. Now, locate the battery. Check for any visible damage or swelling. If everything looks good, disconnect the battery connector. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. Ensure it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector. Before sealing everything up, do a quick visual inspection to ensure all components are in place. Now, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. Power on your device to check if it works. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.